Hey guys, here with me I have the famous Toyota Land Cruiser J95. If you have a J95, you know it's the rugged, boxy SUV, one of the first generations of the Toyota Land Cruiser series. So I have a complete set that includes the main headlight, smoked main headlight, and smoked side or corner lights. So here are some of the features. For the main headlight, it has the edge-ring light. This is LED day running light. That is one. Another feature, it comes with original factory made bulbs. You see, this is halogen original factory made bulbs. They are there inside, but maybe for the perfect results, I would advise you to replace this original bulb with an LED bulb. You are going to love it. So if you have this kind of a car, please consider reaching out to us. Our number is on bio. Complete set at 42,000. We are located in Kitengela. We deliver countrywide.